Good morning, anak. Gift opening na tayo.
Oo, eto, kagigising lang namin.
Anong oras na? 10. Anong oras na kinatapos? 3:30? Yeah. Sige, buksan mo na yung first one.
Sabi niya sira na yung kanyang di pa? Wow, ganda. Ang ganda pa ng case niya,
Hard case.
Oo, hard. Okay. Wow.
Nice. So, Dayne, what's the best feature of this that you really like?
Would have to be the excellent noise cancelling.
Why?
Because when I'm back in Cambridge and then mom, like throws a tantrum, it's like da la 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 la, and then I can have it on, just be doing whatever.
Perfect.
Yeah.
This is a surprise.
I didn't even know that as well.
But, it's not what you think. It's like...
Laksa.
Dayne's favorite.
Laksa.
Kita mo? Laksa.
4 of them, nice.
Yeah, okay, next one.
Let's see. Like a body bag.
Body bag.
Yeah.
Palitan mo na yung maliit mong green. Because Dayne has that small green one. Just slightly bigger, but it's not too big. Next one. Nice one. Nice and warm.
Yes.
Is that the last one?
Yes.
Tanggalin mo muna yung maliit na. Ayan. Yeah.
I didn't think it was shoes.
Oh, really?
Really? What do you think it was?
Kala mo
Something
na?
else.
Something else, yeah. Nice.
Show the side so I can video. No, pakita mo sa akin.
Yan.
There you go.
I mean, A6 is also...
Oh, wow, you got you got space.
Space. Eh, kasi wala siyang size.
Yeah, but still. I mean, to feel the thumb over there. You see, there's nothing there.
Oh, nice, diba? Blue. Green.
Oh, nice legs, Dayne.
Ayan, kasha pala, 8.5.
Yeah.
So, how's your gift opening, anak?
Yeah, it was good. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for them. I really like them. Yeah, I
Alright.
appreciate it.
Which one that really surprised you most?
Probably the shoes.
The shoes. Did you think it was something else inside the box?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ang ganda ng gift ng friend ni Dayne, look. Ay, ang ganda rin, no? May ilaw. Ay, gumagalaw pa. Ang cute.
No, that was me.
Ikaw talaga. Ang ganda. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Browns at magse-celebrate ng birthday. Ito yung squid calamari namin. Hi guys, eto pabalik na kami ng Cambridge and nag-enjoy naman si Dayne sa kanyang 21st birthday celebration with friends dahil kahit yung friend niya na from Warwick ay pumunta pa rin. Warwick is about 2 hours away from Bristol. Happy kami dahil nag-enjoy yung anak natin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave the comment, and click the bell icon for more videos.